channel. Today I'm Ronin, and here's the stuff I need: a fork, eggs, cheese, and an egg maker and plate. First thing you have to do is open the eggs and crack 4 eggs. You have to crack the eggs twice and pick them in. This egg maker is for kids. And it's only for kids. I got it from my Nana. You have to do 4 eggs each time you want to make scrambled eggs. And then you have to stir with a fork. Until all of the yolk is mixed in. Has to be all yellow. Now that it's all yellow, you put the fork on your table and you put the cap back on. You shake it and put your hand on top and that for 10 times on the hole. Okay, now put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. My brother is making my eggs for me.
The eggs are cooking. You do it for 200 seconds.
And then you should stir the eggies. And then you build.
Bayne, my eggs are done now.
So we better stop dancing.
The rubber is this part, this gray part.
And then
Glass is hot.
yeah, and you don't want to get burned.
Now you pour your eggs on your plate with your fork.
You want to see what it looks like?
Here are the eggs. That's what they'll look like.
And they're very good. You guys better not try this at home.
No!
No,
I'm gonna put it back in for 30 more seconds if it's too yolky. So when your eggs are done, you can give them to your parents.
yeah, because
Your parents will love them.
yeah.
Your parents can come here anytime to try our eggs.
Yeah.
Hold it by the rubber again because they're hot. They're hot. The glass.
Yeah. Yeah. And the glass is hot. Hot. Hot as the expert.
Here, I am going to unstick them. Yes, they are done. So I'm going to unstick them. Once you unstick them, you dump them.
Okay.
Now you have to cut it up if you want to eat it. Or you can eat it if it's the big way. Here are my eggs. open your cheese if you want cheese on it. Grab a handful and sprinkle. And this is the egg. That's how you make eggs. Thanks for watching. Bye.